You're allowed here in the parking lot? Did you talk to the managers?
Nope.
The other place was too expensive, so we had to settle for Walmart.
Yeah. Lowest prices in town. Oh yeah.
Got a couple neighbors. We are not alone. You got the instructions, or we're not about that?
We're gonna wing it and see what happens. We might need the instructions. Get buddy.
What?
What are you guys doing? We're camping out.
You're allowed here in the parking lot? Did you talk to the managers?
Have to. Yes. Oh.
Oh.
Just assume because they did.
Oh, their RV is low. Plus, I don't know how well they're going to go with the actual tent.
Oh. We did it last year, so.
Yeah, well, I don't know. I was just still asking anyways, just in case.
All right.
Five minutes, get kicked out.
Good guy, though. Good guy. Kind fella.
New tent poles.
Did you camp on the grass?
Oh, we're just trying to like camp at Walmart because you know.
No, that's some kind of statement.
Just
Is
for
it?
fun. Like,
Okay. You want to know if they're gonna ask you to move?
Well, we don't know if they would or not. So.
Okay.
did you guys have to ask to park here? Or are you staying in the camper?
I didn't ask. I'm just they usually say yes.
Which one are you? That one
You
there?
ask? You just ask if you can camp in.
Yeah.
You asked the manager? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Usually yes.
Because we did this last year and they let us. So.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Because we went to the other place, it was too expensive.
I mean, if you want to do a statement, I understand. But if you want to camp for real because you need to camp, well, like I would go in the grass.
We live like around here. So
Okay.
we want, like,
Just want to know what's
something to
gonna
do. Like,
happen.
it's kind of cool.
Oh yeah. Okay.
See the results, you know.
Never got to say I camped at the Walmart parking lot, and I won't be able to.
Well, that's cool.
Can't afford an RV.
Can I
We
take a picture?
Oh yeah, you want the tent up before you do, or do you want it now? It's up to you.
I'm
We'll be here all
I'm
night,
gonna
hopefully.
wait. Yeah.
Yeah,
Here
we'll
all
have
night,
we'll have the tent up and we'll have the chairs set up too. So
That's cool. Okay.
we're gonna bring it. We're
I dig
gonna
that.
we're gonna
From,
barbecue later.
Quebec City. I'm from Magdalene Islands actually originally.
Oh,
We're,
cool.
we're gonna have a barbecue later too if you want some. So.
Yeah. Okay. I might.
Yeah, sweet. See you later, man.
Okay. Later.
This chair's mangled.
Is it?
Oh yeah, I ran it over with the car.
Very cool.
What's up, boys? Island Boys here. Coming at you again with another video. Right, boys. Air mattress. Yeah.
What?
You'll probably bring an air mattress when you come.
That won't fit in there.
Yeah, it would. That'd feel like perfect.
You gonna go have to talk to the manager, or are we just gonna wing it?
Well, either way, he's gonna come out.
That's true.
Just ask.
Yeah, but we should go and ask before he comes out. Take a seat.
Oh, is there? Here.
Oh, here comes another guy.
You can ask anybody.
Couple new neighbors. Fire truck red.
What's this thing for?
What?
We got a random piece.
I guess we missed a spot. Brag, boys, brag. Quick little tour here, boys. Let's go. Right in here. The humble abode. So yeah, it's a one bedroom apartment. No bath actually. Might get a bucket later, but I don't know. But yeah, good camping spot. We got a good spot this year, honestly. Not too far from the entrance, so if we want to get some cereal in the morning, we just go there. They got McDonald's in there too, so get like a McMuffin or whatever please, yeah. The McGriddles. Personally, those are my favorite. But yeah, good spot. Shoes off before we go in. No shoes in the tent.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's see the camera there, boy. Get out of the rain a bit. She's raining, boys, but yeah, it's a good little tent. So yeah, good tent. We do have some neighbors. We're gonna try to keep it down tonight. Yeah, she's nice and roomy too. So yeah.
Set up a tent in the front.
Oh, we did it last year.
Yeah, let me talk to my boss. She's like, well, we're going to set up a tent. I said, I think we're just doing a video. I don't think they're planning to sleep in here.
Well, no, we were gonna stay the night actually.
So I'm talking to the gentleman who did the tents. And they were actually planning to camp in our parking stall. So I let them live in the tent. No, I can't let you guys do that. I need to burst the bubble once.
Alright.
I gotta be the bad guy.
That's alright.
I apologize.
It's all good. What's up, boys? So, Andrew just came out. We're actually not allowed to stay here. So, we're gonna can it for tonight and we're gonna do it another time. Maybe another parking lot. We might go in the grass over there. You wanna look at the grass there? Yeah, the grass. We might go in the grass. I'm not sure. But he said something to do with liability, so it'll be like too dangerous for us to sleep here. But we are gonna try it again, trust me. It's part one of a part 2 video, you know, 2-part video, you know? Part 1 will be part 2, trust me guys, like it's gonna be great. It'll be great. It'll be great.